Robert Bell denied bail in assault on nurse in St. Andrew. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. 65-year-old Robert Bell, the businessman accused in the connection with a viral video depicting the assault of a nurse in Upper St. Andrew on Tuesday, May the 13th, was denied bail when he appeared in the gun court on Wednesday, May 21st. Bell is facing charges of assault occasioning actual bodily harm, assault with intent to cause grievous bodily harm, assault at common law, possession of a firearm with intent to commit a first scheduled offense, and possession of a firearm with intent to cause injury. On Tuesday, May the 13th, the nurse was on her way to work at the University Hospital of the West Indies when her vehicle was reportedly impeded by a car that was being driven by Mr. Bell. A dispute ensued between the two, during which the nurse was physically assaulted multiple times, with the attacker at times having a gun in his hand. On Wednesday, May the 14th, Bell was taken into custody by the police and subsequently charged following a question and answer session that was conducted in the presence of his attorney. His next court date is on June the 20th. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.